What is the best way to clean your motorcycle aluminum silver parts? You'll see here I gave this a go. One side has come out nice and clean, and the other side you can see in the back is actually still a bit rusted. It's surface rust, but I want to give you a quick DIY home way. If you have a drill, an electric drill, get yourself a few attachments and it actually works like a bench grinder. That's what I'm showing you here. So you can make your own home drill into a bench grinder. You attach it into your vise, turn the drill on, add on a wheel, and that wheel will allow you to actually clean up your motorcycle parts very easily. So what I got here is the brass wheel that I'm using. I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to let it work its magic. As it actually spins, it creates a nice section for you to move your parts around. As long as the bench vise you have is holding securely onto the drill, you will be able to actually get rid of a lot of the surface rust, making your part nice and clean. In this case, it's a kickstand, and I'm getting rid of the surface rust very nicely, very easily, and it actually creates a nice finish because the brass is quite soft compared to the actual part that I'm using to clean, so it gets rid of the rust. There are other ways out there I've seen where people use aluminium foil to rub on it and get rid of it that way, but I found this is a bit more easy on the hand and obviously a bit quicker as well. So I'm getting rid of this. This will look very nice on the motorcycle once it's restored. You will know I'm getting a 42-year-old motorcycle back on the road, and we're doing more or less nut and bolt restoration on it. So every bit's coming off. Where possible, we're cleaning it, getting it into better condition, and also working on the engine parts. So I think in this example, this wheel set, you get like 6 or 7 different sizes, and this one worked very nicely. I cleaned the aluminum case with it. I'm using it here to clean the actual kickstand. There's other bits you can see in the background there that I'm cleaning as well. So we'll be doing a part about how to clean rusty parts and paint them to make them as good as new, because some of these parts I had to look online and they're very expensive to replace. You're looking at 40-50 pounds per part. For example, this kickstand, I've seen it at 50 pounds, 60 pounds. Those little clamps and things in the back are quite expensive. So where possible, if you can reuse what you've got and it's in good condition, give it a good clean, give it a nice polish. Even we will be using metal polish and getting this back into a good condition. It doesn't take too much time. I've sped up the footage here just to give you an idea of what it looks like. I'll let you watch the rest of this to see what it turns out like, but it is very pleasing to watch something really rusty and nasty come back to life in a nice shiny way. if you're enjoying this series, make sure to subscribe so you actually get notifications directly to your phone each time I load a new episode. I've got loads of videos planned for this bike when we get it back on the road, so it'd be good to have you along on the journey with me. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video right here.